If you want to log into Evernote quickly and without confusion, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're using Evernote for personal notes, work projects, school, or planning, getting signed in is the first step to accessing all of your notebooks, tasks, and saved information. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you already have installed. The process is the same no matter which one you choose, so just open the browser you normally use every day. Next, go directly to the Evernote login page. You can type in the official Evernote web login address in the search bar, or go straight to the login page from the official site. Once the page loads, you'll see the sign-in area where you can begin entering your account details. Now it's time to enter your credentials. In the first field, type the email address or username that is associated with your Evernote account. Make sure you enter it carefully, especially if you use multiple email accounts. After that, click the Continue button. On the next screen, enter your password. This is the password connected to your Evernote account, so double-check that it's typed correctly. If you have caps lock on, turn it off before submitting. Once your password is entered, click Sign In. If your details are correct, Evernote will log you in and take you to your account dashboard. From there, you can access your notes, notebooks, tasks, tags, and everything else stored in your account. That means you're ready to pick up right where you left off. Now, if you originally signed up using a third-party account, Evernote may give you the option to use single sign-on. In that case, you can click Continue with Google or Continue with Apple instead of entering a separate Evernote password. This can make logging in faster and easier, especially if you use one of those accounts regularly. If you ever have trouble logging in, first make sure you're on the correct Evernote login page. Then check that your email or username is entered properly and that your password is correct. If needed, you can also use the password reset option to recover access to your account. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can log into Evernote from your browser and start managing your notes again. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.